An assumption is a thing that is believed to be true without any evidence or confirmation. It means there is a possibility that it might be false. There is a risk associated with every assumption. If an assumption is found to be false, the risk has occurred. I assume I will reach office in 1 hour. What is the associated risk? What if I do not reach the office in 1 hour? I reach earlier or later. What is the impact of this assumption being untrue? That is the risk. Assumptions are a natural part of human reasoning. We assume every day, hundreds of times. But the thing is, we do not record those assumptions and check what happened in reality compared with those assumptions. Our minds process all that and modify the assumptions for next time. For project management, this assuming, evaluating, reasoning is converted to a structured approach. See, a project will never have enough time to check and test every assumption and convert it into a fact. So, every assumption should be recorded by writing down in the assumptions log. Then, these assumptions in the log are to be tracked throughout the project. As more information becomes available or when the project has reached a certain stage, some assumptions are proven correct and get converted to facts and can be converted to closed state on the log. Others are proven wrong and the associated risk has occurred. A stellar project manager who managed a project for a global company with very detailed procedures for almost everything related to business processes. One assumption that he wrote in the assumptions log and that was agreed to by the client project manager was to perform user acceptance testing, the client will provide 3 users within 2 weeks of notification by the project manager. The associated risk was that users are provided later than 2 weeks. Now, when the project reached that stage, users for testing purposes became available a week late. It took the client 3 weeks to decide who will be performing the testing. The risk has occurred. The project was impacted, so the project manager evaluated the impact and submitted a change request asking for more money so that the project can stay on schedule. The client had no choice but to approve the change request as they had agreed to the assumption when the project was initiated. There are 2 benefits for recording and tracking assumptions. First, it helps identify project risks, and second, it helps in assigning the responsibility of project impact, especially in a buyer-seller relationship.